Imagine this, you're on a work trip, expenses piling up, and you know the dreaded spreadsheet beckons back home. But what if there was a way to ditch the paper and streamline the whole process? That's where expense management tools come in, like Expensify. They help track your spending, categorize receipts, and even automate reports. But with so many options, is Expensify the right fit for you? Well, today we're diving deep into one specific aspect of Expensify's pricing, the unbundled fee. Let's break it down and see if it impacts your decision. So, what exactly is this unbundled fee? Think of it like a two-part system. Expensify offers its core software and a corporate card, the Expensify card. The ideal scenario, according to Expensify, is to use both. Here's the catch. Bundled pricing: if at least 50% of your company's approved expenses go through the Expensify card, you get their standard pricing, which can be as low as $0 per month, depending on the plan. This is the bundled approach, where everything works together seamlessly. Unbundled pricing: now, if your card usage dips below 50%, that's where the unbundled fee kicks in. It's basically an additional cost for using the software without the card. The fee itself depends on the specific Expensify plan you choose, ranging from $5 to $18 per month, per user. But wait, there's more. Expensify implemented this unbundled fee gradually, so existing customers might be on a phase-in period with discounted rates. It's always best to check your specific plan details for the most accurate pricing. So, should you worry about the unbundled fee? It depends. Here's a quick breakdown. Heavy card users: if your company heavily relies on the Expensify card for business expenses, you likely won't see the unbundled fee at all. The card usage itself waives the extra cost. Light card users: if the Expensify card isn't a major player in your expense tracking, then the unbundled fee might be a factor. Consider how much you value the Expensify software compared to the additional cost per user. Alternatives to consider: Expensify is a popular option, but there are other expense management tools out there. Do your research and see which one best suits your company's needs and budget. Some popular alternatives include Zoho Expense, Divvy, and PEX. The final takeaway: the unbundled fee in Expensify adds another layer to consider when choosing your expense management solution. Weigh the pros and cons, especially if your company doesn't heavily utilize the Expensify card. Remember, there are other options to explore. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.